folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm just making a random video. About what? I have no idea. I'm just sitting here, I just cleaned my bench off. Well, I didn't clean the rest of the room off, but cleaned all the dust. I was thinking of cleaning up a carburetor, but it's like almost midnight. All my stuff lined up. I got a pile of crap on my bench. I do not want to take it off there because I know I'm going to lose it all. So I'm keeping it all over there. I have too many of... I'll show you actually. Let me put this down a little. I got too many of these things on my bench. Get in my way. This is a Chaz Parker. Believe it or not, it's actually in pretty good shape. Except for the massive brazing on here. But whoever did this, brazed this thing, did like a champ. Because if you were to look at this, if I ground this whole brazing off and hit it under paint or something, you would never in a million years suspect that this thing, if you line it up here, if I can get it to close the next 500 years here, lines up probably, I'm thinking, 1/16 of an inch off. Like, it's probably more accurate. It's more accurately lined up here than most newer vices, I find. Like, they have some, it's in really good shape. It's got a lot of crud on it. What am I going to do with this vise? I don't know. I was thinking of cleaning it, maybe painting it, but you know what? I don't want to. I think I'm going to leave it nice and crusty. Might clean the slide off. I don't want to restore it. I think I just want to leave it in somewhat crappy ass condition. Do I have enough of them? No, never. Yeah, I have enough. That's why I've resorted to collecting the tiny ones. If they're like tiny and $10, I'll buy them. So why did I buy this? Because I'm a fool. I'm still working on the Wilton one. I got to figure out. I'm thinking of, I don't know. When I get the sandblaster done, I'm going to sandblast the Wiltons again. My vapor rust, I think, doesn't want to work. It's just being stupid. I'm this close to putting the Wilton back together. But I decided to start a motorcycle tear down. So I have a giant plastic box, those little covers full of. There's an entire 3-wheeler inside that box, plus and some. So there's an entire sandblaster and a big pile over there. There's 3 gas tanks here. One which is totally wrecked. I should show you this. I already made a video of it, but this is crazy. This one's got a small hole in it. Maybe I should ask you, the users. Not the users, the folks out there, if I should even repair this thing, because it's got a lot of crustiness in it. I'm not sure how far down in it. Like, it looks pretty terrible. Like, if you repaired this, I am guessing it's got some thin metal here, so I would probably cut out, make a piece here. Like, I'm not worried about too much if I patch this, make the patch perfect on here, because nobody will see this. Like, I might make a little round piece here and just weld it in. I'm just worried that this is way too thin to patch. And this part, I'm guessing I would go about it by... This is my plan, would be my plan of attack. I'd probably put a piece here, up to here, and then I put another flat piece all the way down there, and just cut a strip out and just... I probably would burn holes in the whole thing and ruin the whole freaking thing, so... I think it's 18 or 19 gauge. It's not very thick. It's also like... I don't know if it's going to line up again or what. Like, it definitely would need some body work. But I think I'd probably try to line it up back here, and then it's got a lot of like flexiness to it. Flexiness. I don't think anybody in their right mind would attempt doing this. It's definitely bound for the line of trash one of these days. You never know. I could use it as a TIG project. This is all rotted out here. So would I take this off and redo it and try to rebuild it? I don't know. It's got a multitude of rotten crap in here, like it's been sitting. Like I could cut the plate off and maybe bounce a new one. Maybe put some washers. The whole other side here, it's got a. So I would assume I'd have to maybe cut this out and tack this in. Maybe see if I can TIG these. Maybe burn as many holes in it, even more as possible, and secure this part. Maybe secure the middle part, and then this, and then I try to secure over here and over here from moving too much, and then just kind of work the middle. I don't know. The top part is not rotten, and I guess I had water in it and just water. So I don't know if this part is rotten. If it's rotten over here, forget it. Oh look, there's pinholes in here too. So yeah, she's got some rot. There's pinholes in the middle. Oh, there's even more than a pinhole in there. She's buggered everywhere. This thing's like, good thing I got a new one. Oh look, I even found another hole just pushing on it. Everywhere there's little bubbles, there's holes. Right. If I got a thing. Everywhere in here where there's a little rust piece, I push my finger through. It's like poof, and poof, and poof. So yeah, this is quite the knackered. One there. One there. Big one right there. Didn't notice that before. She's got some issues, this one. Holy crap. This would be a job for Superman to fix. Pinhole you. It's gonna be a fun project. Actually, I'm gonna, believe it or not, I'm gonna use this to practice weld. Yeah, practice weld. Like practice destruction. Anyway, I'll shut the hell up now and let you do whatever you were doing before you stopped watching this video 4 minutes ago. Thanks for watching. Toodles.